Shopping is a universal experience, but not all markets are created equal. In Bangkok, Thailand, Chachuchak Weekend Market offers a shopping adventure unlike any other. A sprawling, vibrant maze of culture, food, and treasures waiting to be discovered. With over 15,000 stalls across 35 acres, this market isn't just a place to shop, it's a cultural phenomenon.
Today we're diving into the world of Chachuchak Market, one of the largest and most diverse weekend markets on the planet. Whether you're hunting for vintage antiques, trendy fashion, or mouth-watering street food, Chachuchak has it all. But with so much to see, where do you even begin?
Welcome to Trusted Shopping Guide,
where shopping knows no borders. Let's get started. Chachuchak Market isn't just a shopping destination, it's a living, breathing symbol of Bangkok's culture. With roots dating back over 70 years to the era of Field Marshal Plaek Phibun Songkram, this market has grown from a small local bazaar into a global attraction, now drawing over 200,000 visitors every weekend. What makes it truly special is how it captures the essence of Thai life. As you wander through the labyrinth of stalls, you'll witness a beautiful collision of tradition and modernity. Elderly artisans selling hand-woven silks alongside young designers pushing streetwear trends. The air hums with energy, vendors calling out deals in rhythmic Thai, the sizzle of pork skewers on charcoal grills, and the occasional strum of a busker's guitar. Beyond commerce, Chatuchak serves as Bangkok's communal living room, a place where locals gossip over iced coffees, students hunt for vintage band teas, and tourists wide-eyed with wonder. It's this social alchemy, this daily performance of Thai hospitality and hustle that transforms shopping into something magical here.
What truly sets Chachuchak apart is its staggering diversity packed into distinct neighborhoods. The fashion section feels like walking through a Bangkok version of Fashion Week, with stalls overflowing with flowy elephant pants, handmade leather sandals, and Instagrammable crochet tops. Just around the corner, the Antique Zone transports you back in time with its weathered teak furniture, mid-century vinyl records, and delicate celadon pottery, each piece whispering stories of Thailand's past. Foodies could spend hours in the culinary quadrant, where the aroma of grilled squid mingles with sweet mango sticky rice, and innovative vendors serve everything from rainbow-colored coconut dumplings to spicy Isan sausages. For those seeking the unexpected, the pet section delivers. It's not uncommon to see families cooing over teacup poodles while exotic bird sellers demonstrate parrot tricks. One hidden gem is the artisanal craft corridor near Section 26, where you'll find master woodcarvers shaping Buddha statues and local painters creating vibrant street art-inspired canvases. Every turn offers sensory surprises, making Chachuchak feel less like a market and more like a choose-your-own-adventure storybook of Thai culture.
Conquering Chachuchak requires strategy. First, timing is everything. Arrive right at 9 a.m. when the gates open to explore in relative coolness before the midday crush. Weekends offer the full experience, but savvy shoppers know Thursday nights preview some wholesale fashion stall. Armed with cash, many vendors don't accept cards and small bills for easier bargaining. Start negotiations at about half the asking price, with a smile, as haggling is expected but should stay friendly. Grab one of the free maps at information booths to code the market's cryptic numbering system, and don't hesitate to use landmarks like the clock tower or the iconic orange-roofed Section 5 for orientation. Wear breathable clothing and sandals you can slip off when trying on clothes in makeshift fitting rooms. For refreshment breaks, seek out the hidden courtyard cafes near Section 8 or the legendary coconut ice cream stall in Section 26. Most importantly, embrace the chaos. Getting lost is part of the fun, and some of the best finds happen when you stumble upon a tucked-away stall selling something utterly unique, like vintage movie posters or hand-painted ceramic tableware.
Chachuchak Weekend Market is more than a shopping spot. It's a living theater of Thai culture. A place where every visit writes a new story. Whether you leave with arms full of souvenirs or just the memory of that perfect bite of crispy roti, this market leaves an indelible mark.
Have your own Chachuchak adventure to share? Drop your favorite finds in the comments below. We're always hunting for new hidden gems. If this guide helped you navigate the chaos, show some love with a thumbs up, subscribe for more insider shopping secrets, and hit that bell so you never miss our next market deep dive.
Thanks for watching. This is Trusted Shopping Guide,
where shopping knows no borders.